Assalamu alaikum. Here you must know that two important facts about triangles, about the angles in triangles and angles on straight line. For example, the one fact is that all the angles, when you add all the angles inside the triangle, it will be equal to 180. This is one fact. And the other fact is that when you add angles, all the angles on a straight line, also it is equal to 180. With that, it's actually very easy to find out the angle that they are asking. For example, to find that, first of all, we should find out this angle. Let me say this is x. You can give any alphabet. So say x plus 81 plus 49 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus, how much is 81 plus 49? 81 plus 49, this is 10, and 1 above 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 130. So this together is 130. So when I take that 130 to the other side, so 1 minus 130, so is equal to how much? 180 minus 130, 0, and then 5, 0, so it's equal to 50 degree. So this x is equal to 50. And then now you find out use the other fact, this fact, and then this is a straight line, you see. So that means this angle that they want plus 50 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 50, which is equal to how much? 130, right? So this, I'm sorry, this is not x, this is the question mark, right? So you can give another alphabet because x is already used here. I hope you understood. It's easy, right? Thank you.